Yes friends, in this video we will discuss about concept of the vectors through the R. So you know the vector is, what is the vector? Vector is a group of element, those who are having a similar characteristics. Maybe it is like group of the numeric figures, group of the characters, name of the employees, salary of the employees. So means the vector is a one particular object which is having a certain elements, and all those elements they are having a similar in nature. So either they may be a numeric, they may be a character based, or they may be a string variable. So that is a group of the elements, it is called the vector. So now we'll discuss about how to create a vector when we are using the R. So let's say suppose I create an object X in the script area, and so this is, I'm going to create a X as a vector. So there are three methods for creating the vector. The first one is your combine method. So first we'll discuss this combine method. So I type X equals to C. So combine method we use the C as we discussed already, and let's say I'm having these 10 elements from 1 to 10. So these are the 10 elements from 1 to 10. So once I make it Alt plus enter, or you can use this run also. So now the vector is created, and to check this one I type X and then I make it Alt plus enter. So you can see that this is 1 to 10 elements are appears at console area. So in this way we created X as a vector in which all the elements they are numeric in nature. Similarly, if you can also create a vector which is character based, it means which is alphabets. So that is called your string vectors. That may be a name of the employees or name of the cities, name of the states, like this. So I create this Y as a vector, and again you are required to use the C, that is called combined or concatenate. So this is, I type C and now you type certain names, like I type a name of A, B, C, D, E and F. So these are certain names A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is a one particular vector, but this vector is based on the character based, or that is called your string vector. So this is the first method, which is, it is called the combine method or concatenate method. So if I type Alt plus enter and then again you type Y and then Alt plus enter, so you can see that A, B, C, D, E, F, this is we have created as a vector which is character based, and X is a vector which is based on the numeric in nature. Now this is the first method which in the R which we can use to create a vector, that is called combine method. And second method, it is called the sequential method. So what is sequential method? It is one of the quick method. Let's see, if you want to create a vector X, now I'm not using the C, I am using SEQ, and now I type 1, 10. So what I am doing, I am creating the elements from 1 to 10 in a vector X by using the sequence method. So once you Alt plus enter, and now if you type X then Alt plus enter, then 1 to 10 automatically elements are created by this command SEQ. Now suppose I am creating the vector Y and I use the command SEQ, and now what I am doing, I want to create a vector 1 to 10 elements with an interval of 2. So what I can do, I type 1, 10 and then comma 2, and now Alt plus enter. Now to check this one, again you have to type Y and then Alt plus enter. So you can see that elements are created from 1 to 10, but the subsequent difference between the two elements is 2. So this is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In this way you can create. Similarly, if you can create the vector X equals to SEQ and then you type 1, 100, it means we are creating the elements from 1 to 100. So now Alt plus enter and then you check it, the value of X, Alt plus enter again. So you can see this is, we have created element from 1 to 100. This is by using the command SEQ. Now if I use sequence from 1 to 100 with the interval of 10, so I type 1, 100, 10 and then Alt plus enter. So you can see this one X, Alt plus enter, this is certain elements are created with the interval of 10 from 1 to 100. So this is a very quick method for creating the vectors by using the seq command. So the next method is called replicate method. So in the replicate method, what command we are using? Rep command we are using. So let's say I'm using the command rep, and now in bracket I type 1 comma 10. So what does it mean? So now let's see, if I make it alt plus enter, and then again I type x and alt plus enter. So this is one element is repeated 10 times. One element is repeated 10 times. This is a 1 comma 10. Now if you use this replicate rep 1 comma 10 comma 3, so let's see what happens if I type x equals to rep, and now you use 1 comma 10 comma 3, and then alt plus enter, and then again I type x alt plus enter. So this is, what does it mean? It means this is 3 times repeated 1. 3 times repeated 1. So this is called your replicate method, which is used for the vector preparation. So there are 3 methods are there. Again I repeat, the first one is your combined method is there, the second one is your sequential method is there, and third one is your replicate method is there. In the combined method we have to type yourself whosoever the elements are there, but in the sequence and replicate method, these are the quick method for generating the vectors. And what the vectors is all about? Vector is a group of elements, those who are having a similar characteristics, that may be a numeric or that may be a string or the character based. Thank you so much.